This video will show the solution to question number 4 on the 8th grade mock STAAR test. In this question, they ask you to wrap this pyramid, so I know I'm looking for surface area. I look on my math tax chart, or STAAR chart, and I see that the formula I need to use is 1/2 capital P times L plus capital B. Nowhere on the chart does it tell you what capital P stands for. You have to know that it stands for the perimeter of the shape's base. Capital B stands for the area of the shape's base area. L. L is the slant length. When I'm looking at my pyramid, I notice they give me the height, they give me the length of one side of the base, but I do not know the L. L runs from the top of the pyramid down the altitude of the triangle. That black line that I just drew in there, that's my L. And I don't know it. You may think, they didn't give me enough information to solve this. But you do have enough. You just have to hunt really hard. I can see right here, I've got this right triangle inside the pyramid, with the L being on the outside of the pyramid. I know if the height is 4, which they give me, this length here, if I could figure out this length, I know I could use the Pythagorean theorem. So when I look closely, I realize that if the whole distance across is 6, half the distance must be 3. I'm going to take those numbers and quickly throw it into my Pythagorean theorem, which says a squared plus b squared must equal c squared. In this case, L is the c. It's the hypotenuse. Really fast, I get 3 squared plus 4 squared equals my c squared. These added together give me 25 equals c squared. I need to unsquare that. I need to find the square root. Square root gives me plain c and plain old number 5. That number I'm going to need for my slant length. That's a 5. Now I have all the numbers. Let's stick them in the formula. Half is going to stay a half. Perimeter of the base. I got 6 on one side and it's a square, so it's 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 24. Next letter I need, L, slant length. We just figured that one out. L is 5. So times 5. And I'm going to add that to capital B, base area. I look again at my shape. I see the shape on the base is a square. Find the area of a square is just 6 times 6, length times width, or side squared. 6 times 6 is 36. There I go. I have my formula. I should very easily be able to figure this out now. Half of 24 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. Plus 36 gets me 96 square units. Answer choice C.